Here are the working parts of what I bought. There's the battery. Fit that in. Always a bit tricky to turn on. Oh, good. Went first time that time. And now as you can see, that works fine. Go through the switching off motions and disconnect. Now, I haven't put the blade in for safety reasons, although well, actually isn't a problem, because when we put this together, there are no buttons to switch it on. We hold down the safety and we hold that in. Nothing happens. Nothing ever happens. I've tried holding it in for a while, just in case, like the other device, that makes it work, but nothing. Nothing at all. Hopefully you can tell that by the sound. As I say, I haven't put the blade on. But there we go. And I think that this is at least a third of what I paid for, not 5%.